Your Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Ron Young.
Welcome back, everybody. It is Wednesday. We're about to be halfway through this work week, and you're looking at Bear Creek Smokehouse near Marshall, Texas. And we do have a few puffy clouds and some blue skies showing up at this hour. That's good. I like it. 97% humidity all the way up into Queen, 100% in Idabella, Broken Bow, 100% in Marshall, 100% in Natchitoches. Pair of 84s in Texarkana and in Shreveport. Yes, it is a soggy atmosphere right down here where we are, and that's not going to change. It is going to be a tough day. As far as visibilities, we're getting a little better. 5 miles visibility now down in Manny. 4 miles visibility as we go into DeQueen. 3, though, that is coming up just a bit in Idabel, Broken Bow area, but still only 2 miles visibility in Mount Pleasant. And Marshall, you've had a tough time this morning too, 4 miles, and Shreveport now down to 6 miles visibility. Low beams always work the best when you encounter fog. And your Robbins Toyota Futurecast as we go from 10 a.m. this morning into, well, let's go 3 p.m. Wow, look at this. Starting to see development of showers and thunderstorms getting into northwest Louisiana by mid-afternoon. And this is when we're going to see some tough storms. And I'll show you the outlook coming up in just a second. Let's go ahead and push it ahead. And we see some of that moving across North Louisiana and developing even farther into the northeastern parts of the Arklatex. This is going to be watched as well. But our stationary up front, up to the north, and once again, we have outbreaks as we go into Thursday at 7 a.m. in the I-30 corridor. And that front is going to say adios. I want out of here. But still enough to pop up some more thunderstorms around 7 p.m. north of Interstate 30. And after that, adios. Going to get out of here. We will see a lot of clouds building in, but we may see a couple of showers on your Friday, 7 p.m. That front will not come through here. It's going to stall out. We need some cool weather after suffering with all this severe weather and muggy conditions. Today and tonight, it is an enhanced risk. That's number 3 out of 5, the highest, all the way from Interstate 20 through the northern Arklatex, and a slight risk to the south. Tomorrow, it will be a slight risk from I-20 all the way into the northern Arklatex, and to south of that, marginal risk. That is a marginal risk. That's the lowest risk there is. So, also, there will be a marginal risk for your Friday for the northern parts of the Arklatex, and going into Saturday, in between I-20 and I-30 and farther north is a slight risk for severe weather. That's number 2 out of 5 being the highest. So, looking at your 7-day forecast, and by the way, we'll take a look at those rainfall totals coming up in the next half hour. 50% today becomes a 90% overnight, or a 90% overnight, back down to a 20 as we go into your Thursday. Rain comes to an end. This is going to be high impact because we're going to have some strong storms. We're going to have to watch that closely, at the possibility of some very heavy rainfall. You might be surprised during the next half hour. 73, 93, 74, 93, 75, 95, 76, 96. You get the idea. It's going to be hot and muggy through next Monday, but by next Tuesday we see some cooler air moving in with a northwest wind, 88 after a low of 70 degrees. Back to you.